Hey guys, it's Kassandra. Welcome to my channel. I own a candle business called Nina Kupenda Shop, and I'm trying to expand to face oils for skincare. And I don't suffer from many skin complications, but I do get redness. I do get sometimes some cystic acne, and I have a lot of family members and friends and people that are in my life that have problematic skin. Even when it's hormonal or could be what you eat. My point is that I'm trying to get into face oils for most of all skin types, and so I'm testing a few out and a few formulas out, and try it on myself first, of course, but I do want to get it to a few people that are willing to go on this trial of putting their skin at such a vulnerable experiment. So I'm gonna record the process and show you guys. And all of these products I got from Amazon. Very accessible. Some of them I was able to get a bigger size on, but some of them also were only available for a starting price in like 2 ounces, 1 ounce, 4 ounce sizes, so that's what I got. But I'm gonna start recording the whole process. We have the 4 mason jars here. The 4 amber glass bottles with the droppers. And I did rinse them out before I started. I have the pure, 100% pure avocado oil. And it's hexane free. I have 16 ounces of the sweet almond oil. I have 100% pure grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, pure organic olive oil, and it's extra virgin. I have vitamin B oil. I have argan oil and rosehip oil. Also, I want to do dried rose petals and dried orange peels because that is great for your skin, so I'm gonna grab that. I do have all of these dried herbs because I make, again, candles. So if you were interested in looking into my candles, the website is ninakupendashop.com, and they are made out of essential oils or flake-free fragrance oils, so you should check them out because they're amazing. Rose petal and rose buds. I've been drinking this coffee. It's 10:26 a.m. I've been drinking this coffee since 9 a.m. and usually I make my cup and I continue to warm it up in the microwave, which is not good for you. But yes, I still need coffee. So for the jojoba oil, we're going to fill a quarter to half. So here you'll see what that looks like. Oh, not good. You don't want it to drip over like this because this is product right here now that costs money. So let's try to get it all in there without spilling it. And yes, I should buy the tunnel that goes on the top, but I didn't. So I'm desperate, so I'm starting now. You know what? We're just gonna do it. Because these are for me, I'm not wearing gloves. If I was to give these to like someone I don't know or a friend, I would definitely be wearing gloves. it's looking like. So after this, now I'm gonna add the rose petals to this one, so I'll keep doing that. I'm using sweet almond oil. We're gonna also put a fourth of sweet almond oil. We're gonna go in with 3 rosehip oil, a full squirt of argan oil, avocado oil, olive oil, a full squirt, and 6 drops of vitamin E oil. I went outside for better lighting, but this is what the oil is looking like. So pretty. I'm so excited to use this. I'll definitely be updating you guys on how my skin is doing, or how maybe another tester that I'm using is doing as far as this formula goes. I'll definitely be doing more formulas today, but this is just to show you guys. These are Avery circle labels, so I'm going to be writing down how many drops or how much of all the oils that I'm using I've put in each bottle or each formula, so it'll be helpful to track how much of what oil you've put into your amber glass jar. So yeah, I still look crazy, but now that it's all prepped and formulated, I'm gonna take a shower, wash my face, and then put the oil on day 1, and so will everyone in my house. The fact that I allowed myself to go on camera looking like this, you know, it's quarantine, so this is what it's looking like for us right now, and I could have gotten ready and I didn't, but I recorded a whole video looking like this, so there's no way for me to go back. It's okay. It's the vulnerable moments that help you grow. So wow. It smells good? You like it, my boy? Yeah, that shit smells good.